Hello everyone, welcome back to TrueHost Academy. Today we're covering an essential topic for anyone looking to start an online business. How much does it really cost to start an online business? Understanding these costs is key before you begin your online journey. Let's break it down. Alright, first things first, let's talk about the initial setup costs. These are the foundational expenses you'll incur to get your online business up and running. Starting with domain registration, this is basically your online address, and it typically ranges from $3.50 to $20 per year, depending on the registrar and domain extension you choose. Remember, a catchy and relevant domain name can significantly boost your brand's visibility and credibility. Next up is website hosting. Think of this as renting space on the internet for your website. You have a few options here. 1. Shared hosting, the most budget-friendly, costing around $3 to $10 per month. Perfect for small websites with low traffic. 2. VPS hosting, offers more resources and control at $20 to $60 per month. Great for growing businesses. 3. Dedicated hosting, the premium choice for large businesses needing maximum performance, starting at $100 per month and up. Choose a hosting plan that best fits your business needs and expected traffic. Now, onto website development. You have two main routes. 1. DIY approach. Using website builders like Allit by TrueHost, you can create your own site cost effectively. Ideal if you have some technical skills and want to keep costs low. 2. Hiring a professional developer. This can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s depending on your site's complexity and features. It's a worthwhile investment if you want a highly customized and polished website. Evaluate your budget and technical abilities to decide which path suits you best. With your website set up, let's explore some essential tools and software that'll help your business operate smoothly. Starting with a content management system, CMS, platforms like WordPress are popular choices because they're flexible and come with tons of plugins. While WordPress itself is free, you'll need to budget for hosting, domain registration, and any premium themes or plugins you might want. Costs can range from as low as $100 to over $30,000 depending on your needs. Good news! TrueHost offers comprehensive CMS services, including one-click installations for WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal, making it super easy to get started. Next is email marketing tools, crucial for engaging customers and driving sales. TrueHost provides affordable and user-friendly email marketing solutions with customizable templates and automation features. Other options include MailChimp, offering plans from $10 to $50 per month, and Constant Contact, ranging from $20 to $45 per month. Choose a tool that fits your budget and marketing goals. If you're planning to sell products online, you'll need a solid e-commerce platform. Olit Shop offers an affordable and simple platform starting at $3.99 per month. It comes with customizable templates and quick setup, making it a great choice for beginners who want to get their store online fast. Shopify is a popular choice with plans starting at $29 per month, plus potential transaction fees if you're not using Shopify payments. WooCommerce is a free plugin for WordPress, but remember to account for hosting, domain, and any premium themes or extensions you might need. Each platform has its pros and cons, so consider your specific requirements before making a decision. Now let's dive into marketing and advertising costs, because building a great website is just the beginning. You need to attract customers. Social media advertising is a powerful way to reach your target audience. Here's a quick breakdown. 1. Facebook ads. Average cost per click is around 44 cents, and cost per 1,000 impressions is about $14.40. Depending on your goals, you might spend anywhere from $650 to $2,500 per month. 2. Instagram ads. Costs range from 20 cents to $2 per click, with an average of $6.70 per 1,000 impressions. 3. Google ads. Highly variable, but expect $1 to $2 per click for many industries. Effective keyword targeting here can give you a great return on investment. Don't forget about search engine optimization, SEO. Investing in SEO improves your organic visibility and drives long-term traffic. SEO tools, platforms like SEMrush and Ahrefs, offer valuable insights but come at $99 to $400 per month. Hiring SEO experts. Professional help can cost between $75 to $150 per hour, or you can opt for monthly retainers from $500 to $5,000. It might seem pricey, but good SEO can be a game changer for your business. Quality content creation is also essential. Consider these costs. Freelance writers, around $50 to $200 per article. Graphic designers, approximately $25 to $150 per hour. Videographers, starting at $500 per project. Stock images and multimedia, typically $1 to $50 per image, with subscription services offering package deals. Investing in great content helps engage your audience and builds trust in your brand. Let's talk about the ongoing operational costs you'll need to budget for to keep your business running smoothly. Monthly expenses include web hosting, between $20 to $100 plus per month, depending on your plan. Software subscriptions, tools for email marketing, project management, accounting, etc. can add up, typically $10 to $50 plus per tool per month. Domain renewals, annually costing $10 to $20. Payment processing fees, when accepting credit card payments, expect to pay 1.5% to 3.5% per transaction, plus any additional fees. Overall, you should estimate around $20 to $200 plus per month for these recurring costs, adjusted based on your business's size and complexity. Providing excellent customer service is crucial. Consider investing in support software like Zendesk, starting at $49 per agent per month. Freshdesk offers a free basic plan, with paid plans starting at $15 per agent per month. These tools help you efficiently manage customer inquiries and keep your clients happy. Now onto legal and administrative costs, essential for ensuring your business is compliant and protected. Business registration and licensing costs vary depending on your location and business structure. For example, in Kenya, business name registration around $9.50. Private limited company approximately $107. Limited liability partnership about $250. Don't forget additional expenses like business licenses, which can range from $50 to several $100s based on local regulations and your business type. Compliance is key to avoiding fines and ensuring smooth operations. Having the right insurance safeguards your business against unexpected events. Common types include general liability insurance. Protects against claims of bodily injury or property damage, costing $400 to $1,500 per year. Product liability insurance, essential for e-commerce businesses, ranging from $500 to $3,000 annually. Professional liability insurance, for service-based businesses, costing between $300 to $1,000 per year. Investing in proper insurance not only protects you, but also boosts your credibility with customers and partners. Let's shed some light on hidden costs that often catch entrepreneurs off guard. Payment processing fees can impact your pricing strategy. PayPal charges 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction for domestic payments, with higher fees for international transactions and additional charges for currency conversion and chargebacks. Stripe also charges 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, with extra costs for features like instant payouts. These fees can eat into your profit margins, so be sure to factor them into your pricing models. Then there are unexpected expenses, such as technical issues, website downtime, or glitches may require immediate and sometimes costly fixes. Legal fees. Unforeseen disputes or compliance challenges can rack up legal costs. Market fluctuations. Changes in consumer behavior might necessitate sudden shifts in your marketing or inventory strategies. To cushion against these surprises, it's wise to set aside a contingency budget, perhaps a certain percentage of your revenue, to keep your business resilient. Now, let's explore some strategies to minimize costs and make your entrepreneurial journey smoother. Bootstrapping is a great way to start lean. Launch with a minimum viable product, MVP, to test the market without heavy investment. Apply lean management principles to streamline operations and reduce waste. Utilize personal savings and early revenue to fund growth, avoiding external debt or investment. Make the most of free and low-cost tools. Use open source software, cloud-based services, and freemium products for your operational needs. Design your own logos and marketing materials with free design software like Canva. Organize your workflow with free project management tools like Trello or Asana. Outsourcing wisely can also save you money. Hire freelancers or interns for tasks like marketing, design, or development to cut down on full-time employment costs. Negotiate with suppliers to get the best deals possible. Consider working from co-working spaces instead of traditional offices to reduce overhead and network with other entrepreneurs. In conclusion, starting an online business offers great potential, but comes with a variety of costs that you need to plan for. From the initial setup of a website and hosting to ongoing managing marketing and operational expenses. Understanding where your money will go is key. Budgeting for essential tools like content management systems, e-commerce platforms, and email marketing services can help ensure smooth operations. Don't forget about hidden costs like payment processing fees and unexpected technical issues. Planning ahead, minimizing expenses, and using cost-effective strategies, you can set your online business up for success while staying within your budget. Thanks for joining us today at TrueHost Academy. Remember to like and subscribe for more.